Guys, today we're going to learn how to make pepper. So first, you're going to want to go to his Discord. You want to go find Pepper's username. And you're going to want to harass Pepper by telling him that you're going to be added in the mod. And if you don't do it, then he will die. Then he will give you the sound to make the pepper sound. And then you need to find your pepper sound. So to do that, you need to go to your channel rack, then add the sampler, and find pepper sound. Now you're going to see here that it's very hard to find pepper sound if you don't organize your files. So I would recommend organizing your downloads. Once you find jalapeno, you're going to click that, and then you're just going to you can do whatever the heck you want. So in this case, I'm going to hey, yeah, there's your pepper. Have fun. Alright guys, here's my guys, here's rules for idiots, guys. Pepper for idiots, guys. I hate myself.